Good morning, 早上好. Today, let's continue to learn common Chinese adverbs together. Today, we are going to learn 5 adverbs together. And each adverb has only one character. 准, 勿, 别, 谓, 光. Okay. Even if it's only one character, but actually in our daily conversations, we use them a lot, so don't forget to take the notes, okay? Okay, let's learn the number one, 准. What does it mean? 准 means do something for sure. It's like the will do something for sure, okay? For example, 明早5点我准到. 明早 means 明天早上, which means tomorrow morning. 5 o'clock, 明早5点. Okay. 我准到. 准 seems like I must. I will do something for sure. So if you say 我准到 means I will arrive for sure. 准 is the adverb. 到 arrive is the verb. So 我准到 means I will arrive for sure. So 准 means to do something for sure, okay? And sometimes it means must be like that, okay? And also you can say 明天准下雨. 准下雨 means to rain, so raining. So I'm sure tomorrow it will rain. You can also say 我确定明天准下雨. Okay, 准 means something for sure, okay? Next one, 勿 means not, no, do not, something forbidden. Okay, have you ever seen these 4 characters in some Chinese restaurants? 请勿吸烟. Yes, no smoking. 请 please. 勿 do not. 吸烟 together means to smoke. So 请勿吸烟 no smoking. 请勿吸烟. And it's really formal. So basically daily conversation we don't really say 勿. We will say 不要, similar like 不要, okay? And don't disturb. In the hotel, you will see the something on the door, right? The tag on the door is 请勿打扰. 请勿打扰. 打扰 means disturb. So 请勿打扰, don't disturb. Okay. So 勿 means 不要, similar like 不要, but actually we don't really like it's not a spoken language, okay? So it's really formal. But how can we say do not like the casual way? 别 is casual, so you can say do not tell him, right? For example, do not tell him. 别告诉他，这是我的秘密。别 do not, similar like 勿 but 勿 well it's not spoken language, but 别 you can just use like a casual way to say do not. 别告诉 means to tell somebody. 告诉他 tell him. Don't tell him. 别告诉他 don't tell him. Why? This is my secret. 这是 this is 我的 my 秘密 secret. This is my secret. Do not tell him. Don't tell him. 别告诉他. Okay. Of course, you can also say 不要告诉他. 别 and 不要. Well, they are like the super similar. Well, you can use 别 instead of 不要. Both of them is do not. Okay. Okay, next one is 谓. Have you ever seen this character before? Well, it's kind of difficult grammar. You will see this like about HSK 5. It means not yet. The time is not yet. Okay. 时间未到. 时间 means time, the time. 未 not yet. similar like 还没 You can also say 时间还没到 It's also okay. 到 means reach, reach or arrive. But 时间未到 it's like it's not the time yet. 时间未到 it's not the time yet. 请等一下 Please wait a moment. 请等一下请 please 等 to wait. 一下 do something briefly. So 请等一下 wait a moment. The time is not yet. So 时间未到时间 time 未 not yet 到 arrive. But 时间未到 means it's not the time. It's not the time yet. Okay. 未you can also say 还没 but 未 is really formal way to it's super formal. So like daily conversation you can just say 还没时间还没到 Okay. So 未 is super formal but it means not yet. Similar like 还没 Please remember. Next one. 你光吃肉不吃蔬菜吗？你光吃肉不吃蔬菜吗？你 means you. 光 here, well, as a noun it means the light, 光. But as an adverb it means only. It's similar like 只 Okay. So 你光吃肉，吃 means to eat, 肉 the meat. You only eat meat. 你光吃肉，不吃蔬菜吗？蔬菜 means vegetable. 不吃 you don't eat vegetable? Okay, maybe I feel my friends they always say this to me because I don't like vegetables. Okay. So 光 means only, similar like 只. So you can also say 你只吃肉，不吃蔬菜吗？ Similar. But 光 it's more casual than 只. It's really interesting, right? We learned the 只. Basically, we learn 只 means only before 光, but 光 is more casual than 只. That's why sometimes like we know many adverbs, but well, when we really have a conversation with native Chinese speakers, like we cannot understand why. It's because they are using like different words but the same meaning. That's why I think it's very important to know for example, only in Chinese there are different ways to say only, or like the last time I taught you like have to, there are different ways to say have to. It's better to know, even if you can now say all the adverbs, and but at least you should know. Okay, so 光 and 直 similar, but 光 it's more casual than 直. Both of them means like the only. Okay, so today we learned 5 adverbs. Number 1, 准 means must or will do something for sure. 准. Second, 勿 means something forbidden. Do not. 别 also means do not, but it's more casual than 勿. Okay, and next one is 未 not yet. It's similar like 还没 Okay, next one is 光 similar like 直 means only. Well, okay, so today we only learned 5 adverbs. I know it's not that easy, but I hope you can remember these 5 sentences. If you have any other questions, you can leave your comments. Thank you for watching today. 谢谢你们，再见。